am Kritika from Tempt India. We are a D2C brand and operating on the marketplaces as well from last 3 years. And we are into the power charging solutions and the audio category as well. The operational team that we are handling is of approximately 30 people that we have.
What was going on in your business, the specific challenge or frustration around AI that made you decide to join this workshop?
So prior to this workshop, we already were using AI, but the key thought process of using it was not optimal. I would say we used to like write an email or send a reply or something, creating captions or doing a basic sort of work. When it comes to strategy building, we didn't thought of like implementing the way he told us to implement it with the right prompt. Like he made us use the prompt engineers, and that is what we learned in the conversations we held at, and we started implementing it, and we saw a huge immense in the results as well.
What's the one thing you're walking away with that you're most excited to implement on Monday morning, and what kind of impact do you expect it to have?
So on the Monday morning, what I'm gonna do is we gonna run the key strategy that we have built on the day 3, and we, along with the numbers, we gonna strategize a whole year strategy, keeping in all the verticals that we have, be it B2B, be it offline, or any e-commerce vertical that we have, and we're gonna have a full-fledged plan.
So there's no shortage of AI content out there, YouTube, webinars, other workshops. What made this one different, and what did you make of Ritesh's way of teaching it?
That is something already people are doing it, but of course a human touch adds a variable difference in that, and how he presents things in a very calm and composed manner. He resolves each and every query, and that personalized touch of course adds a key factor apart from what we see in the online.
A lot of business owners hesitate before signing up. They wonder if it's too technical, too expensive, or not relevant to their industry. Having been through it, what would you say to someone sitting with that same hesitation?
I think everyone should go for it, even whether you are a small team owner or a large team owner. Regardless of that, you should go for it. I would suggest that, because it will add a key difference to what your thought process was, and it will now become.
If there's a business owner watching who's serious about using AI to grow their profits, what's your honest recommendation about joining the next batch?
I think the owners should join this course. It will add a major factor in how you think about the process was, and it will impact your revenues for sure.
Okay.